In the enchanting world of language, every word is a magical key, unlocking doors to endless imagination. Picture a vibrant garden where words, like flowers, bloom in dazzling colors. From apple to zebra, every term is a step on the path to knowledge. Learning English is like a fascinating journey, each word a stop on the route to discovery. Imagine a tiny tot entranced by the melody of ABC. The rhythm of language dances in their ears, sparking curiosity and joy. From enchanting fairy tales to delightful nursery rhymes, the English language is a treasure trove of stories and songs. So why wait? Dive into the mesmerizing ocean of English where every wave is a new word to learn, a new story to tell. Remember, in the world of language, every day is an adventure. So, open the book of English and let the journey begin. Subscribe for more tales and tunes from the captivating world of English. Welcome to a world of words where language is a playground and every child is an explorer.